Hey, Brainiacs! Aiden here, and today we're exploring the fascinating world of stars. Did you know that there are different kinds of stars? Let's take a closer look. First up, we have red giants. These are stars that are nearing the end of their lives and have expanded to become much larger and brighter than before. Next, we have white dwarfs. These are stars that have burned out and collapsed to become incredibly dense and hot. Moving on to neutron stars. These are stars that have collapsed even further than white dwarfs, becoming incredibly dense and composed almost entirely of neutrons. And finally, we have black holes. These are stars that have collapsed to become so dense that their gravity is incredibly powerful, even trapping light. Isn't it so cool? That, folks, was our little glimpse into the star world. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more amazing space-related content.